Hi Skater, did you know that there's a secret L.O.L garden next to this forest? So interesting. I heard that it is next to this forest in the city. Shall we go over there in the secret L.O.L garden? It will be interesting for us to find it and go in there. Oh, let's find it! Look, look, look! There are also swings in here. Wow! Whoa, what is that shaking over there? I think there's someone in there. Ah! Let's see what's inside this. Let's see what's inside this L.O.L surprise little sister. It's a pink bag. Wow, it's so nice. The stripes, like dark pink stripes. Let's open the second pocket. I wonder what's inside this pocket. Someone's sitting. Wow, look at that baby. She's so cute. It's L.O.L surprise little sister. I never had this one before. And now the third pocket. Oh, it's sunglasses. That means she loves sunglasses. And if everything is pink, that means her favorite color is pink. The L.O.L surprise secret girls garden is so interesting. I think there's something else shaking in there.